Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play your EA games offline on your PC in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top left corner of the app. You will see three horizontal lines. Click on it. That's the main menu. From the menu, go offline. Tap on that. After that, click on I am sure. The EA app will switch into offline mode and you will see a message at the bottom showing that you are now offline. Now you can open and play most of your single player games without needing an internet connection. Just go to library, select your games and click play. Not all games can be played offline. Online only games like multiplayer games require a connection and won't work in offline mode. Make sure your games are up to date before going offline. If the games need an update, it may not start properly in offline mode. When you want to go back online, simply open the menu again and click go online. Your EA app will reconnect to the internet and sync your progress. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.